Welcome. Today in front of me Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So just a couple of seconds ago I set my face recognition here on this device. So now I'll just check how fast and how useful this feature is. So I'll make like 5 or 6 times. I'll just lock and unlock the device to see the difference between all the times. So let's get started. So as can you see, that's just, I think each of the time just we can unlock our device, I think more less than in 1 second. So I think that the face recognition, the face unlock method is really useful, really cool and fast on our Huawei Mate 20 Lite. So I suggest you to use this unlock method if you like to use the face unlock face unlock methods on your device. So I suggest you to try to use this the face unlock. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.